Hello everyone, my name is Hattie and I am a licensed esthetician here at Revive Medical Spa. Today we are going to be talking about dermaplaning. We are going to compare dermaplaning using an at-home tinkle razor and the surgical blade used by professionals. Dermaplaning removes vellus hair as well as the dead skin on the surface of the face. Dermaplaning is a great form of exfoliation. It allows products to penetrate deeper into the skin by not having to fight through those dead skin cells. Here, we are unwrapping the at-home tinkle razor. This razor is a lot more dull than the surgical blade used by professionals. It's only capable of removing the vellus hair, not the dead skin, as you can see here. Here we are applying the sterile one-time use scalpel blade to the dermaplaning handle. As you can see here, the dermaplaning blade is getting all of the dead skin left behind by the tinkle razor. We can get into smaller, detailed areas that you can't with the at-home razor. We apply just our finishing products and voila, fresh, glowy skin.